Sephia Spaces. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sephia Spaces, where we explore homes that are not only beautiful, but deeply calming, intentional, and immersive in their surroundings. Today's home is a serene modern sanctuary inspired by Japanese design philosophy, where simplicity, nature, and balance come together in perfect harmony. Surrounded by lush greenery, gentle rain, and soft glowing lights, this house feels less like a structure and more like a peaceful retreat for the soul. From the clean architectural lines to the tranquil water features and natural materials, everything here is designed to slow you down. This is a home where silence is meaningful, where light is soft, and where every detail invites mindfulness. So take a deep breath, listen to the sound of rain, and let's step into this calming sanctuary together, right here on Sephia Spaces. From the street view, the home presents itself with quiet elegance and minimalism. The architecture is clean and horizontal, with low-profile roofing and wide glass panels that create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. The muted tones of stone and wood blend beautifully with the surrounding greenery, allowing the home to feel grounded and natural rather than imposing. The gentle rain adds a cinematic atmosphere, with reflections forming on the wet pavement and softening the entire scene. Driveway/entrance path. The entrance pathway is a carefully designed journey rather than a simple approach. Natural stone paving leads you toward the home, slightly uneven and organic, enhancing the connection to nature. Soft lantern lighting lines the path, casting a warm glow that reflects beautifully on the wet surface, especially in the rain. The movement through this space feels slow and intentional, encouraging you to be present in every step. It's not just about reaching the house, it's about experiencing the transition from the outside world into a place of calm. Front yard/garden. The front yard is designed as a tranquil Japanese-inspired garden, rich with textures and layers. Moss, small shrubs, stones, and water elements are carefully arranged to create balance and harmony. A small pond reflects both the home and the surrounding greenery, adding movement and life to the space. Everything feels intentional. Nothing is excessive and nothing feels out of place. This garden is not just decoration, it's a living, breathing part of the home. Porch/deck. The wooden deck acts as a soft transition between indoors and outdoors. Slightly elevated, it creates a space where you can pause, sit, and enjoy the surrounding nature. Minimal furniture adds function without overwhelming the simplicity of the design. The warm lighting and natural materials create a cozy yet refined atmosphere, especially during rainy evenings. This space invites quiet moments, listening, observing, and simply being. Entryway. The entryway continues the home's minimalist philosophy. Clean lines, natural textures, and soft lighting create an immediate sense of calm. Large glass panels allow you to see through the home, reinforcing openness and connection. There is a sense of clarity here, nothing unnecessary, nothing distracting. It's a gentle and peaceful introduction to the interior. Living room. The living room is open, airy, and deeply connected to the outdoors. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls allow natural light and greenery to become part of the interior experience. The design is minimal, focusing on space, light, and balance rather than decoration. This is a place for quiet living, where relaxation comes naturally and effortlessly. The sound of rain outside enhances the calm, making the space feel almost meditative. dining room. The dining area feels warm and intimate despite its minimalist design. A simple table becomes the focal point, surrounded by clean lines and soft lighting. Meals here feel intentional and peaceful, free from distraction. The connection to the outdoors remains strong, with views of greenery enhancing the experience. It's a space that celebrates simplicity and presence. Kitchen. The kitchen follows a clean and functional layout with smooth surfaces and hidden storage, maintaining a clutter-free environment. Natural materials keep the space warm and inviting despite its modern design. Everything feels efficient and purposeful. This is a kitchen designed for calm, everyday living. Pantry. The pantry provides hidden storage that supports the minimalist aesthetic. Everything is organized and out of sight, allowing the main kitchen to remain visually clean. This space emphasizes practicality without disrupting the overall design. Simple, efficient, and essential. Bedroom. The bedroom is a serene retreat designed for rest and quiet reflection. Soft lighting and minimal furnishings create a calming atmosphere. Large windows maintain a connection to nature, allowing natural light and greenery to enter the space. It feels peaceful, uncluttered, and deeply relaxing, a perfect place to unwind. Closet. The closet is designed with simplicity and efficiency in mind. Clean lines and organized storage make daily routines effortless. It supports the calm atmosphere of the bedroom. Everything feels balanced and intentional. Bathroom. The bathroom feels like a spa-like sanctuary. Natural materials, soft lighting, and clean design create a soothing environment. Water elements and minimal decor enhance the sense of relaxation. It's a space where daily routines become moments of calm, simple, elegant, and peaceful. Office. The office is a quiet, focused space designed for clarity and productivity. Natural light and views of greenery create a refreshing working environment. This is a place where work feels calm and balanced, a perfect blend of focus and tranquility. Library. The library offers a quiet retreat for reading and reflection. Minimal shelving and soft lighting create a warm and intimate atmosphere. It invites slow moments and thoughtful pauses, a space dedicated to calm and imagination. patio. The patio extends the living space into the outdoors, offering a place to relax and connect with nature. Surrounded by greenery and soft lighting, it feels peaceful and grounded. Rain enhances the atmosphere, adding sound and movement. A perfect place to unwind. Backyard. The backyard continues the natural garden concept, blending seamlessly with the surrounding environment. Plants, stones, and water elements create a balanced and harmonious landscape. It feels private, calm, and deeply connected to nature, an outdoor extension of the home's philosophy. Backyard sunset/rain evening. As evening settles, the home glows softly against the rain-soaked surroundings. Light reflects on wet surfaces, creating a cinematic and calming scene. The sound of rain, combined with warm interior lighting, creates a deeply relaxing atmosphere. It's quiet, peaceful, and immersive, a perfect ending to a calm and mindful day. Thank you for joining us today on Sephia Spaces. This home reminds us that simplicity, balance, and connection to nature can create something truly powerful and peaceful. If you enjoyed this calming journey, don't forget to stay connected with Sephia Spaces for more inspiring homes and tranquil spaces. Until next time, we'll see you again in another beautiful space.